The medical industry is, for the most part, don't bring natural balance to your body. It's synthetic balance that they bring to your body, right? So it's creating this artificial balance. And then obviously, in some areas, certain, surgeries and emergency situations, or if someone, for whatever reason, they can't sustain life, they have to have, certain medications and things like that. All of that stuff is understandable. But for the most part, it creates this false reality that, you're expected to, as long as you take these things and you do these things, you'll stay in balance, provided that you continue to do that. So it creates this false balance, but there's never this sense of really trying to educate the patients on how do we, in the meantime, while this is sustaining us, maintaining us, making us more comfortable, or whatever the case may be, how do we create this natural balance so that we don't have to continue to be synthetically balanced? Because with the synthetic balance comes imbalance, unfortunately, right? So the thing that it's balancing remains balanced, but patterns of behavior and certain other things don't necessarily shift. So other things begin to go out of balance, or some things come with side effects, and those side effects create other things that are out of balance. And now you go in and it's like, well, now this is out of balance. So there's another synthetic imbalance, right? Or balance there. So it's just this process that goes on. And as we get older, the body starts to break down from not understanding how to maintain natural balance, as well as just the overburdening of your system from all of this synthetic juggling. And that is kind of what I'm looking at. Like when I'm looking at just some things that's happening for you, that's what I'm looking at. What I'm seeing is there never was a true attempt, and it's by no fault of your own because you didn't have the education, but there was no true attempt to really try to rebuild the foundation of balance. Earlier you mentioned gut, which is the foundation of balance when it comes to health. No mention of trying to go back to the essence of the imbalance in the first place, because when your gut is out of balance, everything is going to be out of balance.